Titan Safety's Titan anti-slip clips reduce stair-related slips, trips, and falls. Installing in seconds, they can save you thousands of dollars compared to conventional stair nosing. According to the NSC, falls to a lower level is the third leading fatal workplace event and the fifth leading event resulting in both DART and DAFW cases. Requiring no additional hardware, Titan anti-slip clips are designed and manufactured to support all types of open grid steps, perfect for high-risk industrial access across mining operations, lumber and paper mills, cement plants or mills, and steel mills. In mining operations, they're ideal for areas such as dragline excavators, mining shovels, and other large-scale equipment accessways, crusher, screen, and conveyor platforms and plant catwalks, including thickener and flotation decks. In lumber and paper mills, they secure areas such as graded stairs and landings, catwalks and elevated platforms, and other access points where sawdust, pulp, bark, or lubricants can build up and compromise footing. In cement plants or mills, they're a fast upgrade for accessways, baghouse and filter platforms, and outdoor transfer points exposed to rain and slurry. And in steel mills, they're built for access stair treads, landings, crane runways, fixed ladders to platforms and service gantries, and other areas where mist, overspray, and leaks can leave a constant, slick film. Available in safety yellow powder-coated, galvanized steel, plus yellow and green composite options, Titan anti-slip clips can be affixed in seconds throughout manufacturing plants and heavy equipment environments with no hot work required. That means no welding, no torches, and no shutdown headaches. And for explosion-sensitive areas, the composite options are the perfect choice, helping teams improve traction without introducing hot work risk. Installing conventional stair nosing increases labor and inventory costs significantly over time, and many existing anti-slip products render themselves useless, clogging with mud, ice, or other debris. Titan anti-slip clips install in seconds. No nuts, bolts, or fasteners required. Simply strike the Titan anti-slip clips straight into position with a rubber mallet. Installation can reduce up to 70% of labor costs compared with conventional methods. Now it's easy to upgrade worn step edges in seconds, cut labor costs up to 70%, and reduce risk from slips and falls on stairs and heavy machinery. Order at titansafety.net or call 888-868-2272